Those are some great Smart Shopper tips there. Well, hey, it's time to use your melon, and doing just that will keep you entertained, save you money, and score you some freebies. Tomorrow, take your family to Tempe History Museum for a free watermelon carnival with crafts and activities as part of its Tempe Time Machine program. Kids of all ages get to decorate watermelon like Mr. Potato Head, make handbags, win socks, play watermelon games like ping pong, obstacle courses, bowling, and you even get to go fishing for seeds. And of course, you're going to get to take one of the watermelons home for free. A local farmer donated watermelons to the city, and they actually have 500 to give away. So all of those juicy details are on our website, abc15.com/smartshopper.